Following a recent installation at Cumberland Farms in Panama City, Florida, we caught up with Josh Perrin, Senior Director of National Merchandising with EG America, to ask a few questions about shelf and display illumination.
That's the most amazing part. When you look at the before versus the lit version, it is night and day. It draws attention, it draws sales. It definitely influences sales because it separates us from our competition. It draws the customers where we want them to look. When you think about building a brand new store of the future, and there's a lot of competition out there right now with over 130,000 plus C-stores in North America, it's time to think about how you're going to separate yourselves. Everyone carries similar products and similar offerings, but how you present it to the customer is the difference maker. The LED lighting did it for us. I would highly recommend having lighting for impact and LED lighting in your stores, starting with the most important sets in your gondola runs. It's almost a no-brainer in our mind. Lit shelves work.